off so we don't get freaking. What is that? I don't know why that clicked. All right, TikTok and YouTube. It looks like we're about to come take out these highs, which is gonna suck. Yeah, that was my main draw on the day. Hold on, let me cut the speaker off. All right, today might not be a trading day already, so we'll see. But going over higher time frame. Let's go over higher time frame. So higher time frame, we could see, right, we have a 4-hour fair value gap here, right, that we are filling right now. I want to see how this 4-hour candle closure does close. We do have 3 red folder news coming out at 10 a.m. So right now, I want to see if we're going to respect this, and it looks like we're going to. We did form an S&T off this 4-hour high, right? NASDAQ already came out and took out this high right here on ES. But again, I think that S&T that was formed came down to fill in this 4-hour fair value gap we had below, right? Coming into market open, before we just took out that high, we could see we came down, we swept out this hourly low in the 4-hour fair value gap, right? I want to see a continuation up and continue this uptrend, because if we see on the 4-hour, right? On the 4-hour, we've just been slowly chopping up. Same thing over here on NASDAQ. We can see we're in an uptrend on the 4-hour. So higher time frame holds higher power. I want to see the market continue up. I didn't want those draws to get taken right away, right? Because, again, that was going to be my target for the day. Maybe we can get a retrace off of these highs to fill in a fair value gap or something like that, and then we can hit a continuation confluence up. But again, we're just going to stay patient and wait. It's the last day of the week. We don't have to rush anything. We're still up on the week. We did take a losing trade yesterday, as we could see. Hold on. As we can see, right, we're still on a winning week, right? And November we had winning week, and then October we had 3. We had a winning week, and then we lost this week. So again, we've been doing pretty good. We've been sticking to our rules, being consistent. Again, it's taking slower time to grow. A lot of people don't want to hear that, but again, I don't give a shit at the end of the day. We're doing the right thing. So many people in a rush nowadays to just try and prove something, but again, we're going to stick to doing the right things every single day and following our system, following our rules, and just focus on slow growth. And it's been working. It shows in our data. I don't care what anybody says. You could say it's not working, blah, blah, blah. If you go and look at my data, it's fucking working. All right? So I'm going to stick to what's working, even though it's taking a little bit longer to just grow accounts over time. Right, Turb? But again, for the people on YouTube, if you're not in the Discord yet, Discord is free. You could join it. But again, I was doing Wednesday classes. I'm going to stop doing that now because we haven't had many people showing up at all. We haven't had anyone show up in the past month. So again, for the people who want to put in the work, right, I'm going to be posting the trade recaps on YouTube every day. I'm going to post the live sessions every single day. The people who want to get better at trading are going to watch and try and get better, okay? That's the reality of it. So again, those videos will be up on YouTube for free regardless too, but if you want to join the Discord, links down below. You can come trade with us live every single day. It's going to be free for another like 5 months or something like that. Who knows? We're going to keep it free for a while. But again, we just want to keep growing the community and just keep growing as traders every single day, right? So we'll see what today brings. But other than that, that's my bias. That's my little rant for the day. Market opened up. We got news at 10, which I'm probably going to wait for, especially after taking out these highs. We'll see if we can get a retrace down. I want to see if we can just keep these equal highs right now on ES. That would be really nice, and we can have a retrace down. Maybe close with this 15-minute bullish fair value gap here, and then we can get a retrace down into it like this, and then target our draws like this above, and then target that equal high if we don't end up not forming that. So we'll see. We're going to be patient and let the day do its thing. All right? Cool. This Mac looking so bad. What up, Yas? It's good to see you, Yas. What up, Quinn? What up, Mr. T Long, Lorenzo, Wing Wong, 718. You guys are all in here. Guys, if you hear my dog chewing the bone in the background, tell me if it's too loud because I'll put her in the other room. You hear that? Is that annoying? Anyone? What up, J. Cole? Can you guys hear her chewing that bone or no? Yep, Yas is back. No? Nobody can hear that? If it gets annoying, just frickin' tell me. That's it. If you hear the dog chewing the bone in the background, just let me know. That's it. She's not chewing it right now. Wait, she'll start chewing on that bitch again. Hold on. Alright, how about now? Wait. What do you want? I'm working. Can you see? Can I get a kiss? No? Okay. You want to say hi, everybody? Say speak. Okay. His name's Turbo, as you can see. Alright, we got a good amount of people in here today. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. But again, don't be scared to just tell me, hey, the dog's bone chewing's getting a little annoying. I'll be like, I'll understand, trust me. I'm trying to get my bias in the morning and I hear him freaking just chewing on that bitch. It gets annoying. I have 400 left on my eval. I'm going to slow ball this. I'll probably trade PAs, to be honest, and keep the eval for next week PA. Yes, sir. Again, Mr. T-Log, it's a good feeling to like, what? It's a good feeling and it's hard to like not focus on that, but again, don't even focus on it. Just keep trading how you've been trading. Just keep trading how you've been trading, and you're gonna if you're doing what you're doing, it's gonna get passed. And I'm just saying that because again, when people get close to a payout, when people get close to passing accounts, that's like the last time they just overthink it and rush it. And I like how you said you're just gonna take your time, dude. Just keep doing it. Act like it's just not even there. Just act like it's not even close to pass, like you restarted it. That's what I personally do with my PA accounts. I literally keep my lowest account and don't even look at my highest account. I have the lowest account that's recently been passed and activated, and I look at that because I can see it when I'm trading, and I don't even want to focus on what my highest account's at. And that's been working really well for me because, again, I'm a victim of that also. Again, when I freaking almost got that $35,000 payout, I blew that bitch. What's up, Novi? So, and that's just a psychology thing. We're all different with that. It might be different for you. All right, what I do like is we inverse that 15-minute. We inverse both 15-minute fair value gaps. So I really want to be bullish right now. But can we get a reversal real quick to manipulate lower into like a fair value gap or something before we take out these highs? I really don't want to take out these highs yet. But again, I have that order block marked out that we could target. Turb.
Listen, dude, I know you're trying to tell me something, but can we wait a little bit? I got to do some work for a little bit, okay? You got something on your eye. You already went outside. Can you lay down for me?
Oh my God, guys, don't have kids. Get over there, Tito. No. Get over there. Go lay down. Move. Alright, I like how we're slowing down a little bit. Maybe we can wait for news. Let's like try and consolidate down a little bit. These are equal highs right now, right? Oh yeah, they are. Oh yeah, they are. Give me a move down. Give me a move down. I would play music so you guys can't hear this freaking dog chewing, but every time I post a video on YouTube, speaking of YouTube, Yas, how's the YouTube doing? You doing good? Keep posting. I haven't looked at it yet, I'll be honest. I looked at it a couple days ago. Yes, posting sometimes. Just post as much as you can. Try and get one video out a day or something like that. Holy schmagegi. Guys, we might get something. I'm not scaling to the 1 minute yet. We got a 5-minute retrace on ES also. Ooh. All right, dude. You might have to go in the other room. All right, come on. Let's go on the couch. Let's go over here. Come on. Go over that way. There you go. Have a blast. Have a ball. Come on, Tito. You go on the couchy. I'm sorry. You're in prison. You can watch me from over there. Go on the couch. Okay? You gotta go on the couchy. Oh, don't get mad at me. You gotta go over there. No. No. Stop it. I feel bad. Like, do I not let her in? Can you, like, chew it quietly? Is that a thing? It's like Wing Wong's over here chewing on something on my couch. Live. On TikTok. Dude. Yeah, posting sometimes now. December, I don't like to trade. I think it's a bank holiday soon. Yeah, no. December price action can be a little wonky. The last 2 weeks, I'm probably really going to ease off of trading. I'll probably mostly paper trade the last 2 weeks. So we could still go live in the Discord and everything. But again, I'd be trading evals. Maybe I'll activate with another prop firm or something like that. Maybe I'll activate another one or something during that time. But I think I'm going to not trade the last 2 weeks on my accounts. Master, you changed your setup? No. When's the last time you were in here? I didn't change it, I think. You're going into the new year. I'm backing off. Oh, yeah, no. Hey, brother, I'm going to post this in. Yeah, dude, I don't think I switched my setup since last time. I don't know. It's been pretty... I just switched the my computers I had. I put them upwards. We still got 20 minutes till news drop. We've equal highs above, too, on ES. Oh, look at this candle on the 5-minute, dude. Oh my. These equal highs are going to get schmacked. Can I help you, sir? Alright, we came into the first presented 5-minute fair value gap on NASDAQ. They're going to make this difficult for me. I could just feel you staring at me, Turbo. Oif. Alright, that 15-minute fair value gap did form. Right? We could take a trade off of this break of structure if this happens. But I'd like to see if we can come down and fill in that 15 minute for a value gap. But even the risk to reward on this, 7 points, it's negative RR. It's a negative RR, so I think I'm going to sit out on that one. We did form this 15 minute. Where is it on NASDAQ? We have 2 of them, actually. You know what I would really like? I would like to create a 5 minute low here and see if we can come down, manipulate, sweep out that 5 minute low, and then target those equal highs if we don't take out those equal highs in time. But I wouldn't doubt if we do come up and take out these equal highs. I really wouldn't. I wouldn't be surprised if we do come take those out right now. Let's see, people are probably going to enter off the break of structure here. I mean, you can put your stop loss below this low. I just don't like that. That's not worth it to me, in my opinion. I don't want to target this high yet because I still like we have the potential to reverse after sweeping out those equal highs and fill in that 15 minute for a value gap down below. But look, break of structure right now. People are probably going to enter off that. And something like this. And we have a 1 minute bullish for a value gap down below, so let's see if this gets respected. I'd probably wait for that 1 minute bullish to get respected and then enter a trade off of that, but I just don't think this is worth it in my opinion. Dude, I see you, I know, but I gotta work. Okay? Thank you. Last year it was 77. Oh, you guys are yapping in there. Alright, we got a doji candle out of that. I still wouldn't take it yet. I don't think that's worth it in my opinion. All right, we got, let's see if we start coming up to take out these equal highs. We have a minute until this 5 minute candle closure, and then we also have 10 minutes till news. So again, now I'm going to wait, because again, if I wanted to be in a trade, I'd want to be out before news. So now we're going to wait. I want to see if we form this 5 minute low, right? And that's one of my setups that I like to take. Is if we have a 5 minute low and a 15 minute bullish for a value gap, we come down, we sweep that 5 minute low, and then have a continuation up. That's always a good one. But again, we'll see if we get that. We might just want to keep continuing up here. This is an example of yesterday's trade too. This is the trade I took yesterday off of a 5 minute when we made a 15 minute below, and this is going to be a case where it plays out, right? You guys talking about Apex? Christmas deal, it's going crazy good. These songs are 60 pounds a game. How do they do that though if you buy 6? That's what I don't get. You get your money back? What happened? Alright, we took out those equal highs. Turbo, please stop bothering me. Go lay down. Go lay down. Okay? You gotta lay down. For real. Alright, we formed that 5-minute low, which is nice. I'm gonna mark this out. Can we get a little retrace on news drop? Let's see if we just wanted to target those equal highs. And then let's see if we get a manipulation down, taking out that 5-minute off of this London session high. See if we can get a little people taking profits. Something like this. Maybe form like an SMT off of it. Maybe NASDAQ doesn't come and take it out. And then we could target those draws above, the higher time frame draws. We have relative equal highs right here. I'd like to overall target these relative equal highs. I probably wouldn't target this order block. Because again, still have trailing drawdown right now. Stay patient. At 9 minutes till news drop, so might as well wait. Why isn't it counting down? Oh. Please don't continue up without us. Oops. This is the only clean setup I could think of right now. But this would have been a negative RR. This could have been your full take profit. Break even at London session highs, but I personally don't like that. I don't think that's good enough for me to take. Let's see if we can take out all this low resistance draws. Let's see if we can get that before taking out these 4-hour. If we take out these 4-hour draws, I'm probably not going to trade. But we'll see. We'll see. NASDAQ ended up inverse in this fair value gap too. You might just want to continue higher here. See, this is an example how yesterday's trade still could have played out, but it just didn't because the market didn't want to. Literally same shit. We had a 5-minute fair value gap. We had a 15-minute above. I took the trade off the 5-minute because I thought we'd take out the low. But price action was just dog water yesterday. This is just a simple continuation up. Why couldn't you move like this yesterday? Huh?
No, it's not about.
Go. Go lay down. Come on.
You're being annoying.
Tandra. Hey. Come on. Keep going. Let's go. Come on, out. Let's go. I can't focus with that dog munching on that shit. I can't do it. It's just like... It's like when somebody eats with their mouth open right next to you and you're like, come on, man. Like, really, dude? Alright, let's see if waiting for news would have benefited us on this or if we missed out on an opportunity. Again, I like all this low resistance draws right here on the lower time frame. Maybe we can come out and sweep all that out and come take out this 5-minute low. But we're going to see that in a couple seconds. We'll see how news drops. Or a couple minutes. We still got 3 minutes. Yep, 3 minutes and 20 seconds till news drops. This would have been entry on that one trade off this doji candle. Stop below this low. Full take profit would have been here. First take profit and second take profit. But I wouldn't have taken full profit at that London session. I probably would have been break even right here. So we would have been stopped out. Oh no, break even would be down here. So we wouldn't be stopped out yet. We'll see. See if we continue up off these two fair value gaps. Just be 45 point stop. I don't like that one at all. I would have liked to have been in this trade already. Listen, at the end of the day, if this ends up taking out these 4-hour draws, and we don't trade, yeah, you could say we missed out on it, but again, we stuck to our rules and followed our game plan because I said I was going to wait for news. So, you can't be upset with that. There'll be more opportunities next week. There's news drop. Alright, final TP would have been hit on ES. But let's see. That isn't news drop yet. Maybe with Forex factors so late. Alright, came out bullish on consumer sentiment. Alright, so it came out bullish. Alright, let's see if we get this manipulation down. NASDAQ still didn't take it out yet. ES took out this 4-hour high, which is at when? Wednesday the 12th. I think we already took that out on NASDAQ. That's where here. Yep, Wednesday the 12th at 2 a.m. Yep. $9.57, $9.57, $9.56. Alright, we created a 1-minute S&T off of this 5-minute fair value gap. What would this be? 23-point stop. Wouldn't mind that. But I do want a little bit more confirmation. First take profit. Doing a little bit more confirmation on that. Into this, dude. I think I'm gonna enter this. Break even will be at that high. Break even will be at this 4-hour high. I want to see if we can continue all the way up. Alright, I'm moving my stop up to reduce risk. I'm going to move it below this fair value gap, 22 points. 25785, 25787. This is going to be my break even right here. I want to see if we continue up higher here. We are taking out a 4-hour high though, which could be a potential reversal spot. So we'll see. I'd like to just continue up here. This might be a potential reversal spot. We'll see what happens. I'd like to continue up here. We do have a 1-minute bullish we're about to retrace into. If we inverse this, we're probably gonna, let's see what happens. Again, this is a little bit of a later entry, but at 1-minute SMT off of a 5-minute fair value gap. And then we ended up forming a fair value gap. We ended up filling it, get a bullish reaction out of it. We'll see what happens. A little bit of a later entry. We're coming up to a 4-hour high, so we could have a potential reversal here off this 4-hour high. If we want to continue up higher, we will, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm risking 2 micros for 22 points. If we inverse this 1 minute, we'll probably get stopped out, but I moved my stop loss to here. I'd like to respect this 1 minute bullish for a value gap right now. So I'm risking $88 per account. So like 88 times 20. $17.60. I'd like to target those relative equal highs above. 4-hour highs above. I'd like to. Where's a 1-to-1? It's 1-2. That's what I'm going to do right there. 258.50 would be my first take profit. And then we'll let that last runner run to 258.79. That's what I'm going to do here. That's what I'm going to do. 850 I'll have it at, because I think we can run up to these relative equal highs. I don't see anything stopping us here. We have no fair value gaps, nothing. I'd like to see us continue higher unless we just want to reverse off of this. So we'll find out. It looks like we're trying to push higher. So we'll see. This is a 4-hour high, so I wouldn't be surprised if we did reverse. Did we end up forming a 5-minute fair value gap below? We did. What is this right here? 1 to 4. really want to secure one right here. Let's go. Come on. Don't reverse on me now. Come on. Let's go. I don't like how ES is, we're waking off this 4-hour high. I want a continuation here. I'm going to put it down to 45. Right here, I'll put it at 45. I want to get tagged out on this one to move it to break even. Alright, one's taken there. And then we're going to let this last runner run. I'm going to move my stop to like here. What is that? 25805. 25805. Yeah, we're just going to let this last runner run. We'll see what happens. We're going to let this last runner run completely. 25878 is my complete stop. I have it a little bit below that 4-hour high. 7850. So this is going to be my full stop right here. And we're going to let it run. I'm going to keep an eye on ES too on this 4-hour high. But again, I like this, how we're moving right now. I only went in 2 micros on this trade. So remember that. But just to make me more comfortable, I'm just going to take one partial and let that last baby do its thing. And go from there. You know? We're up 51 points right now, so we're getting there. We're gonna let it run. So 1 to 3 based off of that. What's that? A 1 to 2.6. 1 to 2.6 off of that. What if we put it there? I wouldn't be greedy enough to take that right there. 871. Let's keep it at 87150. That's what I'm going to go with, 87150. I'm not going to be greedy for a couple more points because, again, off of our original stop loss, it's still a 1 to 2.6. And we have trailing on this, so I'm going to just keep it there and target that. And let this baby do its thing. Full TP up 1242. Yes, sir, Yas. Yes, sir. Who else took this? Anybody else? First TP already hit. So again, we're already made money. I'm gonna put it to break even now. And I'm just gonna target a 60-point trade. I'm gonna have my full take profit at 87150. I'm not gonna target this complete 4-hour high above. I just want to target a 1 to 2.6. 1 to 2.6 is plenty for me. We're up 2.6K at the moment. Again, I said I'm going to let my trades run. So I got to let it run. I got to let it run. We got to let this last runner run. And what's going to stop us right now? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? You never know. Just take me out of my misery. Can we finally get a full runner on a trade? Excuse me. Can we finally get a full runner on a trade? Or are we going to get stopped out at break even again? Regardless, we made money. So. What is this? 2,580? How many more points is that? Instead of this. What did we have it at? A 60-point trade? Yeah, it was at 870. Let's go! All right. God, dude, we were literally like a point away. These fuckers. Let's go, dude. Come on. You can't do me dirty like that. You can't do me dirty like that. Are they really gonna do me dirty like that? You can't do me dirty like that. Come on. Alright, we're hitting VWAP. See if we can get a reaction up here. Dude. Really? Every time I let a trade run. That's sad. It's not over yet, but I'll be very disappointed on this one if this happens. I'll be very disappointed. I'll be very disappointed. Let's go, dude. Come on. All right, we're currently in this trade right now, and our stop loss literally got edged, and now it's reversing down. We're at break even. We secured one profit, but we're currently up this right now. But again, some people in the Discord took this trade. Yas took this trade, but take profit literally got edged, and now we're coming back up. So we're gonna hold it and see what happens. Hopefully, it's just some drawdown, and we'll continue back up. All right, let's see. Currently in this trade right now, and our stop. Please pay off. Please pay off this time, bro. I'm trusting my system. I'm trusting my trade. I should be targeting this 4-hour high, but I'm not being greedy, and I'm just targeting a 1 to 2.6. That's it. That's all I want to do is target a 1 to 2.6. Okay? All right? I'm being less greedy and not even targeting this high, okay? We could be here, but I'm going to go here. If I get stopped out at break even, you guys are going to see me karate chop myself. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Regardless, we made money. But, yeah, I'm holding it. I'm holding it regardless. If we hit full take profit, that'll be around $150 something per account. So 150 times 20, we'll make $3K if full take profit hits. So we're respecting VWAP right now. This is where we need to go. So I'm holding. We're letting this last runner run, and we're focusing on trusting our system. Okay? That's it. Call me a tweaker, whatever you want. I don't care. We trust the setup. Yes, sir, Yas. We trust it. Let's jerk the market. Wait, what? You gotta talk nice to the market. They're listening to you, man. You gotta talk nice to the market. You gotta tell them you're gonna cuddle them and give them a kiss at the end of the day. This is a time where it's going to pay off. I can feel it. This is going to be a time where it's going to pay off. How many times last month did I get stopped out at break even? Like freaking 4 in a row. We'll go over it. Look. Tuesday, last month, break even, break even, break even, break even. $69, our lucky number. We're putting it at 69. Now I've got to hit. Yeah. Last month it was 5 or 4 in a row. Because I've been letting my trades run. I don't like the hesitation either. Every time you hesitate, man, I'm just dumping. Come on, December. All you gotta do is go up a couple points. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Listen, man. What did I do to anger you? Really, dog? What are we doing? Is this really about to happen again? Is this really about to happen again? You better take out that 1 minute low and continue up, dude. Thunder, start chewing your bone again. Should I bring out the taser? Taser usually works. We just tapped VWAP to the downside now, so let's see. fun job. It's a fun one. You know? One for the plug and one for the love. I got 2 phones. Guys, what do we think? Whoa. 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 $69. Dude, I can make 3 bandos like right now. I can make 3 bands right now. If I just press that button. But no! I'm holding you. Like my firstborn. I'm holding you until you tap me out. Listen, we can't do all this work and then just dump down, right? Retap of that inverse, and then I want you to skyrocket up to Jamaica. That's it. That's all I want. Whether this comes to fuck me in the butt or not, just a choice as an American. How big are our balls, Wing Wong? How big are they? Is this going to be a time where they prove to be huge? Goat size. Listen, it's set at 69.50, so that means we're good. No, Turb, it ain't the time, dog. Work's almost done. Tell the market to go up, and then we'll let you out. Holy spaghetti, baggy. I don't even know what we have secured right now. What do we have secured? Does it tell me? Why are we hesitating here again? What's the hesitation for? We have a 15-minute high too now up there. These guys. Listen, who's watching our stream in the marketplace? They know where our limit order is. Turb. High five. Good luck, high five. Give me high five. Yeah. TP's in a hit. Can you make Daddy $3,000, Turb? Can we end the week on a good one? On a good one? Dude, all you need to go up is like 9 points. That's it. You need to go up 10 points. It's a past eval. Why are you not going to go up 10 points within this area, but you'll do this? You'll do a quick 27-pointer and then a quick 10 points to the downside. Oh, guys. We love this job.
Of the Asia, London.
Peace out, Nobi.
I just made
Oh wait, you're not leaving. No, oh wait, no, he is. Peace out. You too. Oh wait, okay, I'm out. Thank you very much. Yeah, peace out, Lorenzo. I'll post in the wins and losses chat what happens. You'll probably see me on Instagram too, freaking karate chopping my screen. Turb, not the time. Oh.
I just made $7,500 on my way to.
Shut up.
I just made $7,500.
Alright, boys, we have a lot to talk about. For starters, I've been on a plane for the last 4 hours, but my grandma's blind dog could have longed and made money today. We got 3 bangers, and we even got a 30-second and a 3-minute in pre-market.
Listen, dude, we're letting it run, and you're telling me that there's bangers going on. I still didn't hit my take profit. Like, what is this shit? God, this price action's duty. We're gonna do this again. We're gonna do this again. Wow. 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 Just wow. That's all I gotta say is just wow. Is this gonna be a support level? Is this gonna be another support level? Are we just gonna keep bouncing back and forth, support and resistance? Is this what we're doing? Should we go back to that? Should we become a support and resistance trader again? Was that the plan? Stink December. Fuck it, let's just gamble at this point. Fuck it, up and... I didn't even kick my chair hard and this fucking headrest comes off? What the fuck? Listen, now you gotta go up, because now I gotta pay for a chair. This is just a joke. This is just a joke at this point. You're really about to stop me out of break even? This is a joke. This is legit a joke. Are you kidding me? Wow. We're about to get stopped at break even, man. Yep, break even, here we come. That's terrible, dude. Again. Talk about fucking up your mental with fucking letting trades run. That's nuts. My entry's at 14 too, guys, above that fair value gap. It says my entry's here. My entry's at 14. Talk about fuck up the mental with letting trades run. That's this. Whew. Edged. Literally edged. Turbo, shut up, dude. Come on. Can't get this. I need a screwdriver. Alright, well, we're going to get stopped out at break even. This is some bullshit to the max, so. Yep, I got tagged out. Holy fuck. That pisses me off. Whew. That's fucked up. Dude, I was up 3K. Was up 3K.
For two today. I'm not gonna.
Well, I got stopped out at break even. Again, we got edged. Was up 3 grand. Now we only made 1K. Wow. Wow. Fuck that. Well, I got stopped out at break even. Again.
2 for 2 today.
We're currently. Well, I got
2 for 2 today.
Ay, guys. That's a mental breaker right there. But it is what it is. Like, what could we have possibly reversed off of here? That 5-minute high. Wow. 20K minus. Okay, stuff. That's nice. Yeah, no, I'm up 20K in the past 4 months, so. Oh. Made $53 per account. Ay. Edge Maxer 3000, dude. I don't know. I didn't think I got greedy today, dude. We let it run for a 1 to 2.6, right? What was it? We had our stop below this low. We had it at this low. Wait. No, we had it at this low at one point. So first take profit was a 1 to 1. Second take profit was a basically 1 to 2. Off of our original. Dude, we came so close. Literally a point. And it's like I moved my original stop loss is gonna be take profit was gonna be up here. So it's like I don't think I got greedy because I put it down freaking how many more points? I put it down 10 more points, you know? I don't know. I was just trading for you. That would have been a nice way to end the week, though. We were up 3K. We were up 155. So we probably would have made 160 times 20. So 3,200 we would have made. Wow. So we would have made minus 1,080. 2.1K more on the week. So we would have ended the week plus 2,130. 4.25. Oh. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, it's probably gonna. I got knocked out for $50 loss. Not too shabby. December be rough. If the reverse is right here after touching my stop, I'm kicking my fat. So it won't work today. I know, for real. For real. Oh shit, dude. I guess this is gonna make a good Instagram video. Fuck. Stopped out at break even again. How many times? Look at this shit. How many times the past 2 months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, dude. Really testing the patience. Oh, we were so close. Hey, man. I focused on letting my trade run. I followed my rules. That's all we could think of. Yeah, today was a little... I mean, it was a good trade. It wasn't... The only thing was wacky was that we didn't run to our full take profit and we got edged by this. But, again, pretty easy to determine that we were bullish today. That's about it. Alright, guys. I'll post that in the chat. I only made $53 per account today. We were up 155 or something at one point. You'll see it in the YouTube video. Still made 1K. Basically got back almost yesterday's loss, even with the break even, so... It's whatever. It's whatever. Alright. Peace out, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Let me know if you need anything. Alright. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out, YouTube.